Hi everyone, we're looking at Love Lies today by Khalid and Normani. Now, we need to have the capo on the first fret for this song, okay? And we have around 3-4 parts to learn, alright? So let's start with the intro, okay? We're going to start with this part, okay? So, I use the plectrum for this, okay, on this first bit. I pick, I go. But this bit, I actually pick and then I pluck, okay? So look at the tab, let's do one bit at a time, okay? This first part, we have 4th finger, okay, 5th fret from the capo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be in between 2 dots on the A string, right? So your 4th finger. Middle finger's on the D string, 3rd fret from the capo. And 1st finger's on the G string, 2nd fret from the capo. 1, 2. Okay, now look what I'm doing here. My wrist is down. Okay, you're not going to be able to do this with your wrist up. It's got to go down. I know it's not very nice. And my elbow is right against my side. Okay, so now I can stretch. Yeah, and you just pick top to bottom. So I'm going to pick down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up. Yeah? So we go boo-doo-doo-doo, boo-doo-doo. So this part, let's work on the second one here. Okay, we have middle finger is on the 3rd fret from the capo. 1, 2, 3. 3rd finger directly underneath on the D string. And then 1st finger is still on the 2nd fret of the G string, so that's going to stay there. You see that? We just have to move these two along. So the rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going. Let's work on this last one. We have 1st finger, 1st fret on the A string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret on the G string, and middle finger is here, 1st fret on the B string. And if you look on my right hand, I actually pick and pluck this last one. So the first two I pick, watch. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up. See that? Down, down, up, up, down, down, up. And then on the last one I go pick, pluck, pluck. Pick, middle finger pluck, 3rd finger pluck. And the last ones, you kind of really give it a good tug. And as soon as you do it, you release the finger. Do you hear that? You don't go, you don't hold it, you need to cut it off. Okay, so all together. We do it 4 times. Then we go into the verse, which is exactly the same thing, but we're going to have a hit. So when we get to the verse part, sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe, we're going to have a hit. Okay, so with your right hand, I want you to go and just hit. Okay, I kind of crunch my fingers together and I just kind of give all the strings a little slap. So just like this. So with the vocals, sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? Now that bit's really hard to sing, so if we work out where the words are, we go, are you, are you. So we play the first note, then we sing, are you, are you, are you. So if you just practice that, then it gets your brain used to where the words are. Are you down? Are you down? Down. So you sing down, on the first note of the second shape. Down, are you down? And again, are you down? So, are you down for the ride? For the ride. And again, 4 is on the first note of this one. For the ride. Are you down for the ride? Okay, so sometimes you just have to slow it down and work out where the words are if you can't sing and play. Okay, now the second half of the verse, we're going to play some chords. Okay, it's not easy for someone to catch my eye. I've been waiting for you for my whole damn life. Now, we have 4 chords: D minor 7, A minor 7, B flat major 7, and F. Alright, so let me break the chords down for you first, and then we'll move on, okay? So our first chord is D minor 7. It's nice easy chord. We just have 2 fingers, the middle finger and the first finger. So open A, open D, we have our middle finger, 2nd fret on the G string. First finger is going to be flat and barred, because then you get 1st fret B string and 1st fret on the E string. Okay, now for A minor 7, just move it up, curl the 1st finger as well. Okay, it's very similar. Okay, so A minor 7 is open A, middle finger 2nd fret on the D string now. Open G, 1st finger, 1st fret on the B string, open E. Okay, and you hear that it's those 2 chords. Then we're going to have B flat major 7 to F, right? So start with these 3 fingers, okay, because it's kind of like a bar chord, and you always leave the bar finger till last. So we have 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the D string, okay. I know it is technically the 4th fret, I mean from the capo, right? So 1, 2, 3 from the capo on the D string. 2nd finger is 2nd fret on the G string. 4th finger is 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, then add the 1st finger. Really nice chord. So this 1st finger is on the A string, 1st fret. Okay, then for F, we have, this is probably the hardest chord. Don't worry if you can't play all of it, you could actually play the middle 4 strings, that's fine. So let's start with those. We've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the A string, 1, 2, 3. 4th finger, 3rd fret on the D string, middle finger, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st finger, 1st fret on the B string, okay? Okay, if you can play those, that's fine, that's F. Now I like to add the thumb up here, 1st fret on the E string, right? Quite important for this song, really. So try really hard to bring your wrist up for that 1 chord. So it's down, my wrist is down for the B flat chord, but it's up, comes straight up like I'm going to pick up my guitar, okay, for that F chord. You see that? Okay, now, this is quite a tricky little bit. What we do is we pick the bass note, and then we have a finger picking combination. So let me show you what my right hand's doing. So what I do, guys, I start by picking the D string. For D minor 7 this is. Okay, so I pick the D string, I pluck with my middle finger the G string, and then at the same time, 3rd and 4th finger, you just pick the, or pluck the bottom 2. So, okay, now we do the same thing on the A minor chord. So for the D minor 7, we start on the D string. For A minor 7, just move everything up a string. You see how I moved up? So now I'm on the A. It's the same thing. Everything's just moved up 1. Okay, now stay there for B flat. And then we move up again for the F chord. So It's not easy for someone to catch my eye. I'm waiting for someone to for the ride. Again, this is a little hard. Okay, this is very hard to sing and play at the same time, so just slow it down. It's not easy for someone to catch my eye. I'm waiting for someone to are you down for the ride? It's realizing where the words are. Are you down? 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 You need to realize where the words land. Are you down for the ride? Okay, so take your time with this bit. This is quite tricky. Now, if you really struggle with this, just play the chords. Okay, this sounds fine. It's not easy for someone to catch my eye. I've been waiting for someone damn life. It's much easier to do it that way. Now, when we get to the next part, we can start adding a bit more rhythm. So, don't be afraid to tell me that you ain't with it. I see you focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You got me to say I'm in a lesson. Don't, baby, tell me why your love lies. Into the chorus, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm going down, up, slap, up, down, up, 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 slap. So I change on the up, okay? So take a look at my rhythm hand again, and you can see what I'm doing. So as you can see, guys, it's a constant movement here. Down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap. If I slow this down for you, it's really slow. Down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap. Okay, and we change chord on the up just before the slap, right? So down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap. Now you notice I changed chord on the second down is where I change chord. So down, up, change, up, slap, up, down, up, change, up, down, up, change, up, slap, up, down, up, change. So I'm changing chord on that second down. Down, up, change, up. Down, up, change, up. Down, up, change, up. Yeah. Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't ready. I see you focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to open up, I'll admit it. You got some saying I'm in a lesson. Don't tell me, baby, why your love lies. Wasting me in the night. Now we have the same kind of thing for the chorus, right? But I tend to, it's up to you. You can keep the hits in or you can take the hits out. I tend to take them out because it feels a little bit breakdowny in the chorus, right? So you can just strum. Tell me where your love lies. Down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're constantly strumming, but I want you to emphasize too good to gap, gap, good, too good to up, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up. Tell me where your love lies. Waste the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Then we go back into the verse, right? So obviously the second verse is where Normani sings. So we go back to the, with the slaps. If you can do that. Sometimes if you're trying to sing at the same time, just don't worry about the slaps. Just try and play this bit. Okay, and then when you feel comfortable, add the slaps. Yeah. So the vocals are, I've been so into your mystery. Okay, it's exactly the same, right? We also still have the, okay, it's exactly the same. We also have the same pre-chorus, so the second pre-chorus is the same. Don't be afraid to tell me if you're in with it. I see you focus, yeah, you're so independent. Okay, and then we have a double chorus. Okay, so second chorus is twice as long. We go around the chorus twice. So tell me why you love a lies. In the wind, spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where you love a lie. And again, tell me where you love a lie. Now you notice that I add the, you can add the slaps in for this second chorus if you want to, just so it changes a little bit. Tell me where you love a lie. Up, down, 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 up. So for the bridge, so this is after the double chorus, we get to the bridge, right? The bridge has two parts. The first half we do our verse part with the tab. So if you're down, don't hide it. Feel me, don't got to deny it. Baby, come with me overnight it. Tell me how you down. Then the second half we can play our rhythm. If you're down, don't hide it. Feeling me, don't got to deny it. You gon' meet me overnight, yeah. Tell me how you down. Now tell me when you love a lie. Into the chorus. You spend the night underneath the sunrise. Just show me when you love a lie. Tell me when you love a lies. Wish the day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. So this is a double chorus. Then we finish with the intro.